Enjoy your experience.
Hey y'all, 2 of my packages just came in. I bought 2 necklaces from 2 different shops on Etsy. Oh, they gave me a 20% off coupon. How cute. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. The first one I got is this beautiful Ankh necklace. I've been really into researching the Egyptian pantheon, and it's just such a protective symbol that I felt the need to add it to my jewelry collection, but like my divine jewelry collection. I have a lot of protective symbols / devotional jewelry, and it's just as beautiful as I imagined. It's the perfect size. I don't know why I look so pale. Isn't that so beautiful? But the second necklace I got, look at this. Oh my god, I dropped it. Look at this dope sticker. So cool. Little thank you note. Cute. This is the name of the shop that the necklace I'm about to show you came from. And look at the bag. It's a little Ouija board. Pretty sure this is my invoice. Yeah. It's a little pouch it came in. Because a couple of weeks ago, I was switching my necklaces around, so I put my lighthouse necklace on a better chain, and then I switched the chain that my lighthouse necklace was.
I feel so bad for you. I broke my leg once too. Yeah, how'd yours happen? What's a long story? It's kind of embarrassing.
I could have sworn I ordered silver. It's black. Well, it's the story I was telling is that I took a. Words aren't my strong suit. I'm really distracted. I took Lucifer's charm bracelet and his symbol off of it and then put it on a necklace, and then I ended up losing the symbol. We had issues with that charm bracelet anyways, and I think that was his way of just telling me to get rid of that. But I rebought his sigil. Thought I ordered it in silver. It's silver when you go like that, but that's 100% black, and I guess he wanted black. I swear to God, I ordered silver. It says black. Either way, I mix metals. I don't care. And I don't have any black jewelry either. Now that I think about it, black chains. It's kind of cool. This is perfectly above my Ankh. I love it. My Lucifer necklace wasn't supposed to come till tomorrow, so I'm very excited that they came on the same day. Here's the shop that I bought the Ankh from. Please tell me down below if I'm pronouncing this wrong. I really don't want to be disrespectful. But I'm so excited now. As you can tell, I laid out all of my jewelry and redid some of my altar. I wanted to feel more like a pirate or a siren and his treasures. Hence all the bracelets out. My new necklaces. The only one I actually showed you that's new was this one. The other one is on Lucifer's altar. But I made St. Brigid her necklace too, and I have a bunch of charms left. I'm going to make her a charm bracelet and then a pair of earrings as well soon. But I love the way this looks. I might have to get more cone incenses, which I don't really use, solely because now I love to use them in this. I'm always used to sticks. Oh, that's what I'm doing. I'm rearranging things because I wanted to make my ancestor's altar bigger. Right now they share space with Hades and Persephone for obvious reasons, I feel. And they kind of taken over. So I'm thinking of making this side, which is my ancestor's altar, into Hades and Persephone's side, and then having my ancestors take from like here on over. But the thing is, I had to find a place for Lord Ares' statue. And the only place I can think of is on this table. Here's what my divination table ended up looking like. I have a crystal coming in from Self Spiritual, and it's a little serpentine tower. Little's not the word, it's actually pretty big. And I'm probably going to put it here. But for now, I like how it looks.
Thank you for your pity and cream corn. I can't believe this. The malls are closing in 15 minutes. The bus stop's going to be packed with honeys. And the Ratmobile is on ice. How Uncle Phil going to play me? You're ignorant somebody.
I thought I'd end off this. Look, you can see him in the this video by showing you my new turtle friend. He's the same company that made my shark. This is the company's name. So cute, so soft. I'm in love. What a polite young man. And then I got a new mug. Look, it's pink on the inside. Valentine's Day is my second favorite holiday. Halloween's obviously my first. So this mug is perfect. And then I also got a new Harley. This is my new Harley. Look how cute she is. And I'm selling some of my other Funkos, so I allowed myself to buy her. That's it. Just me and my things. And I'm watching Chatter while finishing editing this video that you're watching, actually.